Today I'm gonna make another slime video. Yeah. So I hope you guys are glad because it's only one ingredient. So first, what you just need is something to mix it and mix with, and you need some shampoo. That's it. Or maybe some salt. So actually, this is gonna be 2 ingredients. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna get some shampoo really quick in my bathroom. Okay, now actually this is going to, now you just want to go mix it until you get like bubbles in it. Then time for the salt. I'll be back and get that. Just kidding, I'm not gonna talk to you. Hi, Daphne. I added baking soda instead. You can add either both if you want. You can add both, but it will be sticky. So yeah, I added some baking soda and it kind of, went white because I added too much. Okay, this is an option, but yeah. You guys should add salt this time because that's better. So yeah, this is how you make the slime. Hope you guys enjoyed. But wait, we're not over yet. We still need some hand soap and the shampoo to make this the slimy texture like we love. Okay, and then we're done making the slime. It's really good and it's not sticking. So yeah, that's how you make it. Bye-bye.